The 1950s, a time of boundless optimism and incredible invention. We dreamed of flying cars and robots doing our chores, but there was another, even bolder dream taking root: artificial intelligence. Could we create machines that could think like us? Alan Turing, a brilliant mathematician, dared to ask this very question. He proposed a test, now famous as the Turing test, to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human. It was a simple idea with profound implications, igniting the field of AI research. Early AI pioneers, inspired by Turing's vision, set out to create these thinking machines. They imagined machines that could understand language, solve complex problems, and even surpass human intelligence. Excitement filled the air as researchers made early progress, developing programs that could play checkers and solve simple logic puzzles. The future seemed bright, full of promise and the potential of AI to revolutionize our world. But building thinking machines turned out to be far more challenging than anyone anticipated. The initial euphoria soon gave way to a sobering reality. While these early programs showed promise, they were limited, struggling with tasks that seemed effortless for humans. The human mind, with its intricate web of neurons and ability to learn from experience, proved difficult to replicate. Funding dried up and progress stalled, leading to the first of several AI winters. The dream of thinking machines, while still alive, seemed a long way off. The 1970s and 80s were a difficult time for AI. The initial wave of enthusiasm had waned, replaced by skepticism and a sense that the field had overpromised and underdelivered. Researchers faced criticism for setting unrealistic expectations. Funding for AI research dwindled, and many scientists shifted their focus to other areas. The term AI winter perfectly captured the prevailing sentiment. Despite the challenges, a dedicated group of researchers continued to toil away, determined to keep the dream of AI alive. They understood that creating true artificial intelligence was a monumental task, one that would require breakthroughs in computer science, neuroscience, and cognitive psychology. They focused on developing new algorithms, exploring different approaches to machine learning, and building more powerful computers. Progress was slow but steady. Researchers made incremental advancements in areas such as expert systems, which could mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific domains. These systems found practical applications in fields like medicine and finance. However, they were still a far cry from the general-purpose AI that researchers envisioned. This period of slow, often frustrating progress was essential for the field's long-term success. It forced researchers to confront the limitations of their approaches, to re-examine their assumptions, and to lay the groundwork for the breakthroughs that would come later. It was during this challenging time that the seeds of modern AI were sown. In the late 1980s and early 90s, a renewed sense of optimism began to emerge. One of the key drivers of this resurgence was the growing interest in artificial neural networks, a powerful computational model inspired by the structure of the human brain. Neural networks are composed of interconnected nodes or neurons that process and transmit information. By adjusting the strength of connections between these neurons, networks can be trained to recognize patterns, make predictions, and even control robots. The development of more powerful computers and the availability of larger datasets allowed researchers to train more complex neural networks, leading to significant improvements in areas like speech recognition and image classification. The field of machine learning, which focuses on developing algorithms that allow computers to learn from data without explicit programming, also gained momentum. These advancements paved the way for a new era of AI research. One of the most iconic moments in AI history occurred in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue supercomputer defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a highly publicized match. Deep Blue's victory was a watershed moment for AI, demonstrating the incredible computational power of machines and their ability to outperform even the most skilled humans in complex games. This event captured the world's imagination and reignited public interest in AI. Section 4. Data Deluge Fueling the Rise of Modern AI. The early 21st century witnessed an unprecedented explosion of data. The Internet, Social media, mobile devices, and countless other sources generated a torrent of information, creating what we now call big data. This data deluge proved to be a boon for AI, providing the massive amounts of information needed to train increasingly sophisticated algorithms. Machine learning, particularly deep learning, thrived in this data-rich environment. Deep learning algorithms, which use multiple layers of artificial neurons to extract increasingly complex features from data, proved exceptionally adept at tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and machine translation. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon recognized the transformative potential of AI and began investing heavily in research and development. These tech giants integrated AI into their products and services, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Search engines became more accurate and personalized. Social media platforms used AI to curate content and connect users. E-commerce sites employed AI-powered recommendation engines to suggest products and personalize the shopping experience. AI was no longer a futuristic concept. It was rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Section 5: AI's Triumphs, Mastering Games and Language. The development of AlphaGo in 2016 marked another significant milestone in AI's journey. Developed by DeepMind, a subsidiary of Google, AlphaGo was a deep learning system designed to play the ancient and complex game of Go. Go, with its vast search space and intricate strategies, was considered a far greater challenge for AI than chess. In a stunning display of computational prowess, AlphaGo defeated world champion Lee Sedol, showcasing the power of deep learning and reinforcement learning, a technique where AI agents learn through trial and error. AlphaGo's victory sent shockwaves through the AI community and beyond, demonstrating the remarkable progress made in AI's ability to master complex games. AI's mastery of language also reached new heights with the development of large language models, or LLMs, like ChatGPT. These LLMs, trained on massive datasets of text and code, exhibited an uncanny ability to understand and generate human-like text. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, could carry on conversations, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they're open-ended, challenging, or strange. These achievements underscored AI's growing ability to understand and process human language, opening up a wide range of potential applications in fields like customer service, education, and entertainment. Section 6: The Looming Potential and Perils of Superintelligence. As AI systems become increasingly powerful, a new question emerges. What happens when AI surpasses human intelligence? This hypothetical scenario, often referred to as artificial general intelligence, or AGI, or superintelligence, has been the subject of much speculation and debate. Proponents of AGI believe that it has the potential to solve some of humanity's most pressing problems, from curing diseases to mitigating climate change. They envision a future where AI augments our capabilities, leading to unprecedented advancements in science, technology, and human well-being. However, the development of AGI also raises profound ethical and existential questions. How do we ensure that superintelligent AI remains aligned with human values? How do we prevent unintended consequences? What happens to humanity's role in a world where machines surpass us in intelligence? These questions have no easy answers. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of advanced AI, it is crucial that we proceed with caution and engage in thoughtful dialogue about the potential risks and benefits of AGI. The decisions we make today will shape the future of AI and its impact on humanity.